6 signs Kody and Robyn Brown won't return to sister wives, including their refusal to be honest. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and give this video a like. Up there are several signs indicating that Kody and Robyn Brown may not be invited to return to sister wives. They first met in 2019 and became an official couple a few months later. Kody and Robyn entered a spiritual marriage, which quickly became stronger than any of Kody's other relationships. In 2014, Kody divorced his legal wife, Meri Brown, and married his favorite wife, Robyn. He also legally adopted Robyn's children from a previous marriage, becoming their father. Over time, Kody became a great husband to Robyn while losing touch with his other wives and spending less time with them. In 2021, Kody's third wife, Christine, made the bold decision to leave him behind. She did so to focus on herself and build a better future with someone who cared for her. A year later, Kody's second wife, Janelle, followed Christine's lead. She ended her relationship with Kody and moved to North Carolina to pursue her dream of becoming a farm owner. In 2023, Kody's first wife, Meri, also chose to distance herself from the negativity. She ended her relationship with Kody and moved to Utah to focus on her business, Lizzie's Heritage Inn. Sister Wives appears to be reaching its conclusion with the end of season 19. However, it seems that Kody and Robyn's time as the main cast members of the show has already come to an end. They have become outsiders, indicating that they are unlikely to feature as prominently in future seasons. One possible reason for Kody and Robyn's potential absence from the show could be their physical distance from other cast members who have very compelling ongoing storylines. Kody and Robyn stay in Flagstaff, Arizona, while Christine and Meri are in Utah. Kody and Robyn's views on polygamy have changed over the past few years. After nearly 4 years of discussion, they have chosen not to live a polygamous lifestyle and have embraced monogamy. Kody has announced that he is done with polygamy, while Robyn has stated that she would be willing to consider it again under certain conditions. Ultimately, it seems that neither of them desires to be a part of a plural marriage again. They aren't interested in adding another wife, signaling the conclusion of their journey on Sister Wives. Most of their recent scenes in Sister Wives season 19 featured discussions about their past polygamous lives. Robyn often became emotional over issues from the past, while Kody still blamed his former wives for the breakdown of their family. Neither Kody nor Robyn has taken responsibility for the harm they may have caused to their family members. They have yet to apologize for their mistakes. They don't seem to have any new topics of discussion, while the other sister wives are constantly moving forward. Kody and Robyn have also become more dismissive over time. They don't appear to value viewers or their time, as evidenced by their refusal to answer certain pressing questions during TLC's Sister Wives Season 19 tell-all. In one particular scene, Kody interrupted the host as she tried to point out that he wasn't making sense. He expressed frustration over feeling guilty about loving Robyn without acknowledging that he may not have been as loving towards his other wives. Kody became annoyed with the questions, indicating that he may not want to be in a similar situation again. Kody's lack of a relationship with his children is another significant factor that may prevent him from appearing in future seasons. As of 2025, Sister Wives primarily focuses on Meri, Janelle, Christine, and their kids. The show is no longer centered around Kody and Robyn, as they don't have a compelling storyline to share and are hesitant to address questions. Kody has also been unsuccessful in repairing his relationship with his children. As a result, he doesn't have much to contribute to the show, which may lead producers to reduce his role to that of a supporting character. Kody and Robyn may simply choose to leave the show because they're financially secure. When Sister Wives first aired in 2010, Kody and Robyn were able to make a living from the show. However, their financial situation has significantly improved since then, allowing them to live comfortably off-camera. In recent years, they've indulged in luxury purchases, including jewelry, paintings, footwear, and accessories, leading to speculation that they may have developed a shopping addiction. In 2024, they bought a lavish $2.1 million home in Arizona, indicating their financial stability. Kody and Robyn no longer rely on Sister Wives for their livelihood. Christine Brown from Sister Wives has been asking Kody Brown to share equal responsibility for their youngest child, Truly Grace Brown, and contribute to child support. Kody already had 2 wives, Mary and Janelle Brown, when Christine joined their polygamous household in 1994 through a spiritual union. She embraced polygamy and chose to create a big family with her former husband and his other sister wives. Throughout their marriage, Christine and Kody have had 6 children, 5 daughters, Aspen, Mykelti, Gwendolyn, Isabel, and Truly Brown, and 1 son, Paydon Brown. While Christine had a stable relationship with Kody for nearly 2 decades, things became complicated after Robyn Brown joined their family as the 4th sister wife. Christine found herself distant from her husband as he began prioritizing Robyn over everyone else. In 2020, Christine grew tired of Kody's neglectful behavior and his rules. She decided to take matters into her own hands and ended her relationship with Kody, seeking independence. In 2023, Christine fell in love and married her current husband, David Woolley. She established her new family in Utah, relocating far from Kody, who resides in Flagstaff. Sister Wives cast member took legal action for various reasons, including securing financial support, protecting her daughter's parental rights, and establishing legal clarity. Christine also filed a paternity suit to determine Kody's parental status in order for Truly to receive the support she deserves from her biological father. Christine chose to pursue this route because Kody had been avoiding providing for Truly for a long time. Christine waited for years to file for child support. It seemed she wanted to gain an advantage over Kody, so she chose to do it after she had settled in Utah. Utah's legal environment is reportedly more favorable to single mothers. Therefore, Christine had an easier time asking for legal paternity, gaining custody rights, and pursuing child support. The fact that Christine wasn't legally married to Kody may have also influenced her decision to file the lawsuit in Utah, as she knew she would receive the necessary support in that state compared to Arizona. Christine requested a paternity test in September 2024 to establish legal paternity and secure child support for Truly. She likely used the Utah court for the same reason, because Utah laws make it easy for mothers to receive child support for up to 4 years after paternity is established. Christine tried to secure retroactive financial support as well as ongoing support for Truly. She also did this to ensure that Kody would fulfill his responsibility as Truly's father and would be required to follow custody and visitation rules. Christine filed for a paternity test because Truly is now over 14 years of age. According to Utah State Court, Truly can now express her preference, which would likely be to stay with her mother. In the meantime, Christine can make sure that Kody doesn't try to influence their daughter with his own religious beliefs. She would have the ability to prevent Kody from having any control over Truly. Additionally, Christine filed a domestic relationship injunction, which would prevent Kody from making negative comments about her in front of Truly or taking her on non-routine trips. One significant reason Christine chose to pursue the legal case was that Kody's name wasn't on Truly's birth certificate. Truly was born in April 2010. At that time, Kody was legally married to Mary and spiritually married to Janelle, Christine, and Robyn. Since Kody wasn't legally Christine's husband, there was no need for them to ensure his name was on Truly's birth certificate. Given that Kody and Christine were in a somewhat healthy relationship in 2010, they likely didn't see it as a major issue if his name wasn't on Truly's birth certificate. Since Christine didn't establish paternity at the time of Truly's birth, she was solely responsible and had all legal parental rights. However, she was also part of a polygamous family at that time, so it likely didn't matter much. Christine only took legal action after her split from Kody. She proceeded with the legal case after Truly had grown older and had moved back to Utah with her. Christine knows that Truly will need all the financial support she can get, so ensuring that Kody is recognized as Truly's legal father will help her now more than ever. Christine's unexpected legal action against Kody suggests that she still has unresolved issues with him. When Christine and Kody ended their marriage, she explained that she took Truly with her to Utah to protect their daughter's relationship with her father. She believed that maintaining physical distance would actually strengthen the bond between Kody and Truly. Christine asserted that this arrangement would ensure that their relationship remained close even though they were physically distant. However, Kody didn't support Christine's decision. He dismissed her explanation as a manipulative attempt to control the situation. Christine and Kody no longer have the same beliefs. Both TLC stars often speak negatively about each other in front of the cameras. It appears Christine has sought legal assistance because she knows she and Kody will never see eye to eye. As a result, she sought help to ensure that she could raise her daughter, truly, without having to make any compromises. Christine doesn't trust Kody because he hasn't given her a reason to. Therefore, the Sister Wives cast member wants Kody to fulfill his responsibilities by involving the legal system in their family matters. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube Fox Gossip 24 channel, and stay with TUS.